We love what's and insects in the bug house. This is Ladybird Lava, harlequin ladybird. They can bite you. So what's out? One of the ladybirds.
This one is the Asian one.
They can also eat other ladybirds. Like this one, innocent 7-spot ladybird. Look at her, she's so cute, and look at her spots. Come here, ladybird, come here. This ladybird will never bite you. Look how different they are. We love ladybirds and bees. Look at this busy bee. These are centipedes and they have 100 legs. And they can pop out in small things. Let's make binocular. We need toilet paper rolls and string, markers and stickers. Now I'm ready for birdwatch. We spot blue jay. Very beautiful bird. Super hungry. Nom nom nom. This is Robiny. He's super cute. Look at this one. It's small, so small. We spot a blackbird. And look at his orange beak. He loves apples so much, and so long. Look at these cutie sparrows. They love these seeds. The great teeth catch a worm. We heard them singing. Let's listen. Magpie is so hungry, and Magpie looks for something all the time. This bird is always in a mission. Budgie. I love Budgie. Feeding, that is my favorite activity. Oh, look, pigeons. They are silly pigeons forever. They're always in our garden looking for snacks. We spilled some soggy soap. We need some plastic bottles, tape, scissors, marker, and coloring paper. So cool. Look at me spinning. Wee! We plucked onion and carrots. Now we need to wait. Let's hop into new week with a grasshopper. See you soon.